Guten Tag, fellow explorers. Welcome to Vienna, a city that harmoniously combines its imperial history with modern-day elegance. Join us as we embark on a mesmerizing journey through 20 of Vienna's most captivating landmarks. 1. Schönbrunn Palace. Our Vienna exploration begins at the opulent Schönbrunn Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Wander through the lavishly decorated staterooms, take a stroll in the magnificent gardens, and visit the Gloriette for an enchanting panoramic view. 2. Historic Center of Vienna. The historic center of Vienna is a living testament to the city's rich history. Stroll along its cobblestone streets, visit the famous Graben, and be sure to admire the grand architecture that surrounds you. 3. Kunsthistorisches Museum Vienna. Kunsthistorisches Museum, Vienna's art history museum, houses a vast collection of world-class art. Explore the works of the old masters and marvel at the museum's magnificent architecture, making your visit a true cultural experience. 4. St. Stephen's Cathedral. St. Stephen's Cathedral, or Stephansdom, is an iconic masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Climb the South Tower for breathtaking views, or explore the catacombs beneath, where many historical figures found their resting place. 5. Belvedere Museum. Belvedere Museum, housed in a Baroque palace, is a treasure trove of art. Marvel at Gustav Klimt's The Kiss and other significant Austrian artworks. The palace gardens are equally stunning and perfect for a leisurely walk. 6. The Hofburg. The Hofburg, a former imperial palace, invites you to explore its opulent rooms, including the imperial apartments and the silver collection. Don't forget to witness the spectacular Lipizzaner Stallions performance at the Spanish Riding School. 7. Schoenbrunner Gardens. The Schoenbrunner Gardens surrounding the palace offer a delightful escape. Discover the orangery, the Gloriette, and the Roman ruins. These meticulously landscaped gardens provide a serene counterpoint to the palace's grandeur. 8. Tiergarten Schönbrunn, Zoo Vienna. Tiergarten Schönbrunn, Zoo Vienna, is the world's oldest zoo. It's a perfect family destination, home to a wide variety of animals and conservation programs. Stroll through its beautifully designed enclosures and learn about wildlife from around the world. 9. Natural History Museum, Naturhistorisches Museum. The Natural History Museum is a realm of wonders. Its collection spans from meteorites and dinosaur skeletons to the famous Venus of Willendorf. The intricately designed halls make it a treat for both science enthusiasts and art lovers. 10. Albertina. Albertina, a renowned art museum, houses a diverse collection of graphic art, including works by Dürer, Rembrandt, and Picasso. It's a cultural gem with an elegant ambience. 11. Wiener Staatsoper. The Vienna State Opera, or Wiener Staatsoper, is a temple of music and drama. Catch a world-class opera or ballet performance in this breathtaking neo-Renaissance building, and you'll be immersed in Vienna's rich cultural heritage. 12. Österreichische Nationalbibliothek. The Austrian National Library is a bibliophile's dream. Explore its stunning State Hall, adorned with frescoes and filled with a vast collection of books. It's a paradise for history and literature enthusiasts. 13. Rathaus. Vienna's Rathaus, or City Hall, is a remarkable example of neo-Gothic architecture. Marvel at its facade, and if you visit during the Christmas season, you'll experience one of Europe's most enchanting Christmas markets. 14. Peterskirche. Peterskirche, or St. Peter's Church, is an architectural gem. Its exquisite Baroque design, including its impressive dome, is a testament to Vienna's rich heritage. The interior is equally captivating. '15. Leopold Museum. The Leopold Museum showcases Austrian art from the 19th and 20th centuries. It's home to an extensive Egon Schiele collection, and you'll find the world's largest collection of paintings by Vienna's iconic artist, Gustav Klimt. 16. Prater. Prater, Vienna's famous amusement park, offers endless fun. Take a ride on the iconic Ferris wheel, enjoy the theme park, and stroll through the expansive Prater Park for a leisurely escape. 17. Time Travel Vienna. Step into the past with Time Travel Vienna, an exciting multimedia experience. It's an interactive journey through Austria's history, from ancient times to modern day. You'll be immersed in the stories and secrets of the past. 18. Stephansplatz. Stephansplatz, the heart of Vienna, surrounds the magnificent St. Stephen's Cathedral. It's a lively square, perfect for shopping, dining, and enjoying the city's vibrant atmosphere. 19. Kaiserliche Schatzkammer Wien. Kaiserliche Schatzkammer, or the Imperial Treasury, is where the Habsburg dynasty's crown jewels and other priceless treasures are displayed. This is where you'll find the imperial crowns, scepters, and the Habsburgs' most precious possessions. 20. Rathausplatz. We conclude our Vienna journey at the Rathausplatz, where the city hall's grandeur meets a sprawling open space. This square hosts numerous events and festivals, creating a vibrant atmosphere year-round. Vienna, a city where the past meets the present, offers an abundance of cultural, historical, and artistic treasures. Which of these landmarks would you explore first? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this virtual tour of Vienna, please give us a like and subscribe for more exciting journeys. Auf Wiedersehen, and keep exploring.